Oh, hello. Aren't you a bit early?
I know, we wanted to beat the traffic, so we came earlier.
Oh, okay. Look, I was about to have some breakfast, but we can nip over to Cedar Square. It's around the corner. Why don't you come in?
Oh, that sounds lovely. Thank you.
Why don't you have a seat? Have a seat right there, and I'll just go and grab my glasses and my jacket. Let's see. Okay, keys. Do me well. Oh, here we go. Right. Let's be off.
So, Mr. Ndaba, how are you guys affected by the load shedding?
Load shedding? None of that, dude.
Oh.
Inverter comes with the property.
Nice. So, how long have you been staying at Lion Pride Lifestyle Estate?
This place, I've been here for quite a while, and what I love about it is, family, safety and security, great
Nice.
location, and of course, that backup power. Very important. Yeah, this place feels like an ongoing journey,
What do you mean by ongoing journey?
Well, look at this. There's a lot of development going to happen, and there's a mall that's going to be built right here. A private school coming in 2025.
Nice.
And then we have Okovango Place, just further down, where you can rent an apartment. Visit Lion Pride Estate today. Reserve your unit, and who knows, we could be neighbors.